Okay, so this will definitely not be one of my best recordings ever, but let's take the Studebaker for a ride, shall we? We need to make it home in this. The steering wheel are so close that not having seatbelts in it just makes me real comfortable. Mountain Dew will jack me enough up that when I die, I'll be able to kick my way through the windshield on the way out of the car. So that should be good. So listen to this girl start. First hit, and every time. Well, except for yesterday when I had to pop an electric fuel pump on it because it sat for a week and was mad. So this car, you can't see it in the video. I'm sure I'll show it later. This car's a trip. Reverses all the way down. It's an automatic. It's 3-speed automatic. Starts out in second gear. Craziest thing ever. So anyway, it does have power steering, and you just don't even know the front wheels are out there. It's like they just don't even exist. So you might even be able to hear it squeaking a little bit because I really need to grease this thing. Sorry, nose running a little bit here. That's on my head. How did I get grease on my head? That is straight up grease, too. How? Just how? How? I gotta put rags in the car or something. Hopefully, I've got something in the trunk. Okay, so now that we got that taken care of, I don't know how I got grease on my head. These are why, this is why I'm not a professional photographer, is because I just find grease on my head. All right, so anyway, this is the old girl as she is. I wish I could show you the steering. It's an absolute trip. It's just like, yep, here we go. You understand more about driving Miss Daisy. But right now we're riding through the Bartow Air Park. This was kind of an air base. I guess it was an air base. It was part of the group of air bases we had down here in Central Florida in World War II, where they did a lot of training. And so a lot of them have just kind of survived a little bit. And I've got a gas leak. Yeah, you hear that? The carburetor's not happy. I don't know if you can hear that or not. But anyway, I've got a slight gas leak that I'm smelling in the old girl. The brakes are decent. They're 4-wheel drums, which means that they suck by nature. And I haven't gone through them yet. I need to, which was going to be on my list of things to do today, but probably not going to happen right now. I need to get this seat moved back. I need to get the seatbelts put in it. There's a small list of things that I really want to get done on it today. I fixed the horn. Don't know if you can hear that or not, but I did fix the horn on it already. So that was a good thing. At least I can warn people that I'm about to die. And yeah, so it's doing real good. The heat doesn't work. I found out this morning when I needed it. So it's got an exhaust leak that you may or may not be able to hear. So I was cold and had to keep the window down this morning anyway so I could not die. And I wonder if YouTube's going to get me for saying die that many times. We'll find out, I guess. So the plan today, start going through our list. We got a little punch list on this dude. So we're going to start working on that. So anyway, we're going to put this on hold for a minute so we're not watching all this through the light. I don't have that much to say today. All right, so we're back rolling down Highway 17 here. This car has no radio. The steering is completely questionable, and I think that's from the factory. Got good gas smells. I think my gas tank's leaking again. But I'm running 65 miles an hour, which I don't think's right. I think I'm probably doing closer to 60. But that's okay. We're having a good time. So I hope you enjoy everything. We'll come back with more. Here again, more short video stuff. There won't be a lot of it. This is just the first drive on the Studi. Everybody have a great day. See ya.